Hey guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Chase points to its transfer partners. And we're starting right now. So first off, you need to go to chase.com and log into your account. So it'll take you to the screen and make sure to put your username and password and just give it a couple seconds. Alright, so it'll take you to this window. So what you need to do is you need to click one of these cards. So let me see. There you go. So this is my Chase Sapphire Preferred card, right? So what you're gonna do is see this redeem right here. So I have 60,000 points. So you're just gonna hit redeem here. So first off, all right, so once you hit redeem, it's gonna take you to this window and it'll show you all of your Chase cards that has the points. So first of all, I have the Chase Sapphire Preferred card and other Chase business cards. So for this one, we're gonna use my Chase Sapphire Preferred card. So I'm gonna click on that. So before we move on, you need to have at least 3 of these cards for you to transfer points to Chase's transfer partners, and I'm gonna explain that to you guys right now, which those cards are. So here's my website, and let me just 1 second, it's just loading. All right, so you need to have 3 of this cards for you to transfer, so you have the ability to transfer points to Chase's transfer partners. So number 1 is this card, the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. Number 2, it's this one, the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. And number 3, it's a business card from Chase, and it's called the Ink Business Preferred Credit Card. So remember those 3. So again, the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, the Chase Sapphire Reserve card, and the Chase Ink Business Preferred business card. So, all right, so once that's done, all right, so let me give you guys an example on how you can transfer points to the transfer partners of Chase. So right now, you're gonna click on this drop-down menu, and you will see this transfer to travel partners. So you're gonna select that. So it'll take you to this window. And if you scroll down, you will see all of Chase's transfer partners, airlines and hotels. So, for the airlines, they have Emirates, British Airways, Iberia, Singapore Airlines, Southwest Airlines, United, Virgin Atlantic. Then at the very bottom, you have IHG for their hotels, transfer partners. So for Chase's transfer partners, you have IHG, Marriott, Bonvoy, and World of Hyatt. So if you guys want to transfer points, you're just gonna click this, transfer points. Then you're gonna put your member ID. So if you don't have any World of Hyatt account, you can click this, join World of Hyatt, create an account. Then it'll provide you a member ID, and you put that in here and also here. So to confirm the member ID. So let me give you guys an example. So right here, I already have my account saved here. So I'm just gonna click my name. It's all done. Let me just go back. So over here, I have 4 safe frequent travel programs because I already transferred some points, a few months ago or a few weeks ago. So it'll save it here. So I'm gonna select this. So this is it'll show my member ID account. So I'm just gonna censor that. Then it'll tell you how points transfers are 1-1. So basically, if you transfer 1,000 Chase points, you will get 1,000 World of Hyatt points. So transfer points to myself, or then hit continue. So here it'll ask you to review the details of the transfer, and I'm transferring 1,000 points from my Chase Sapphire Preferred card. And once you're sure, click this one, confirm and submit. So once you hit submit, it'll take you to this window saying the point transfer request is in progress. And normally when you transfer Chase points to Hyatt, it's instantaneous. So Always check your email just to be sure to. And yeah, and that's how you transfer Chase points to Chase's transfer partner. And that's it for today's video. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. All right, bye.